guys, welcome back. The last box, this huge box, finally arrived, and I wasn't expecting it to arrive today. It's December 24th, Christmas Eve, and there's a lot of stuff to do in Christmas Eve, you know, and I'm tired, as you can probably see. Whew. This box arrived today morning. It's like the end of afternoon right now, but I really wanted to sit today with you and open this up because I can't really wait. These are my Demonia boots, the last box from my Black Friday unboxing, and I am so excited. I can't wait to open this up, and I just had to sit and put my camera here and everything to open it. So without further ado, let's open this up. I really can't wait. I really just didn't want to wait any further because these boots already took some time to arrive because they didn't have in stock, and I had to wait for Demonia to send the boots to Attitude Holland. It's the store I bought it from. I feel my English right now it's not the best. I'm just sorry. I feel I'm in such a haste. You see, I can't even talk. But yeah. Oh my god. I have some kind of mixed reviews about Demonia because I already have two pairs of Demonia shoes. I have the Stomp 08. Those were my first pair, and they are very good shoes, I must say. I just don't wear it that often because I should have bought the size under the one I have. But the other pair I have is the Creeper 113. I made an unboxing of it like a long time ago that I actually re-uploaded kinda recently because YouTube basically deleted my video. And those Creepers, they didn't turn out as good as I thought they would be. So I have two experiences with Demonia, two different shoes, and one of them is pretty good, the other one is crap. So that's basically what I hear about Demonia all over the internet. It's kind of mixed. You kind of don't know what you're gonna get, if you're going to get very good shoes or crappy shoes. Because Demonia has pretty awesome designs. I heard the quality might not be as good as you might expect from expensive shoes, because they are pretty expensive, not as much as New Rock, but New Rock, I've heard that you are pretty much assured that you have the quality and design that you pay for. But yeah, I bought two pairs. I'm just hoping that this will be good quality. I'm really hoping for it. I'm sorry if my back are not standing straight, but the thing is, if I put my back straight, you kind of don't see my face. So I'm just arching my back so I can see you and you can see me. just so we can talk face to face. There's a lot of boxes around me, but yeah, let's go for this one. Let me just, here's the paper. I bought the Damned 225 Gothic platform boot. They are two boots, and the Shaker 22 hologram ankle boot. So I don't have any boots from Demonia. I have the Creepers and the Stomp. They are not really boots, they are more like platform sneakers. So yeah, so this is like the first Demonia boots that I got, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's stop just talking and let's get more to action. I just felt I needed some time to explain myself. Oh my god. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing the sole purpose of it. Oh my god, look at it. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh, so beautiful. From my experience from Demonia, when I bought the Stomp shoes, I bought the size 38, which was the one at a time that I used to wear. When it was with the Creepers, I bought a 37 because I already knew the 38 was already too big, and the measurements kind of felt right for the 37. So this one is in size 37 as well as the other one. And I've been using 37. I don't know if my feet are shrinking They seem to be like doing so because I used to wear 38 and now I'm wearing 37. That's weird, but I really hope they fit me. So they are a platform boot. It goes a little bit up your leg and it has these little straps, buckle things with spikes. You know, I love spikes, so when I saw they had the straps with the buckle things and the spikes and this little thing here at the top, it's like, you know those choker collars. It's like this, but on your boot. That's so neat, don't you think? I thought they were so cool, so I was like, yeah, these are the perfect boots. I love them. I really hope I can go back to wear more platform boots because I love platforms. I love to seem a little bit more taller than I am because I'm not that tall. Yeah, it fits very well.
Here are the Demonia Dam 225 Gothic platform boot in black vegan leather. They also have a velvet version of this shoe. It's a mid-calf boot with spikes, an O-ring detail at the top, 6 buckle straps and a platform of 8.89 centimeters or 3.5 inches. I feel they have the basic features I like in alternative shoes, so they are pretty much awesome. The sole is flat and it has the same height at the front and at the back, which makes them more comfortable. They have a lace-up front under the straps, but they also have a zipper for an easier wear. Lately I've been wearing more 37 than 38, so I bought a size 37 for both of the shoes, and they fit perfectly. So to me they are true to size, but they may also run big. They may take a couple of times of wearing until you break them in.
Most of Demonia boots, they are vegan leather, so it's a common knowledge that vegan leather, fake leather, it's not as high quality as real leather. It's a known fact. So I will be so careful with these boots. They were expensive and I really want them to last the longest that I can make them last. They are really pretty. I'm so in love with this. Look at it. So let's get this box out of here. You can see the upper part of the box. I really don't know how you call this right now. I don't have the words. The words are not existent. But yeah, both of the boxes are like this. And okay, this is so beautiful. They smell so good. They smell like that new plastic smell. I love that smell. Some people don't, but I love that smell of new plastic. This one you can see it has kind of an angle going down. The other one has the same height all the way. And I wanted to buy platforms like this because it's easier to walk in platforms that they don't have an angle than those that do, like this one. But these ones, I thought they were so cool. They are kind of holographic. It's like a black hollow. You can see in the light. I don't know if the camera can capture it. Kind of. Oh my god, you're seeing that. Are you seeing that? The reflection. It's black. It's shiny. It's almost like PVC kind of thing. But in the light, you can see the blue, the green, kind of a little bit of red, maybe. Look at it. It's like black hollow, and I think it's so cool. So let's see if it fits. I'm just trying to take this thing out of this bunch of paper. Here, you should keep that so you can put them away safely without deforming them. Let's see.
These are the Demonia Shaker 52 ankle boot in black hologram. They have other versions in vegan leather, black and white, and black velvet. I still don't know if you can call this holographic or if it's more of an oil spill effect. Either way, it shows multiple colors when hit at some lights. The normal footage was shot with a white light, some indirect sunlight and a tiny bit of yellow light, so you can see that it doesn't show the colors properly, but when hit with direct sunlight, it shines its colors with all its splendor. It's beautiful and I feel badass with them on. So, they are made of vegan leather too, They have these two little buckle straps at the top and lace up at the front, which is good because you can adjust, but it has a zipper at the side for easier wear as well. The sole is similar to the Stomp sole, but these aren't as large at the bottom. It's a stacked wedge platform with 11.43 centimeters or 4.5 inches. It has an angle going down, so the front height is a tad shorter. I thought they wouldn't be as comfortable as the other ones, but they are pretty comfortable for what you'd expect, and are in fact easier to walk in due to the other angle in the sole at the front, going up a little to help in the movement of walking. They have a squarish point and it's also quite large. If you have bunions, I'm pretty sure you won't have problems with pain in these boots. They narrow to the back, so they are way more tight in the ankle part though, but you have the laces to adjust as you see fit.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which item you liked the most. I'm sure this video will be uploaded after Christmas, because Christmas is tomorrow and I won't have time to edit this until then. But Merry Christmas to everyone, even though this will be after Christmas. And I'll see you next time. I'm planning on bringing more Skyrim. I really want to record more Skyrim now that Lydia video is out. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you seeing. It's basically me telling you what I decided to do about Lydia regarding my last Skyrim episode. And I haven't recorded any Skyrim because of that specific video, because I wanted to finish that and I wanted to upload it, and I didn't want to do anything else before putting that video on the internet. But now it's on, it's there, and I'm ready to record more Skyrim and continue Life is Strange, which is waiting for me. Everything is waiting for me. Everything is late, and I feel I fail a lot with my YouTube channel. I spend so many months away from it, but I procrastinate a lot as well, and I have school stuff to do, so anyway, this outro is getting too long. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm out. Goodbye, guys.